Okay. Right, so returning here means we use too much energy. No, that's not true. No, that is true. Well, this is the local extreme. I'm not really interested in any of these cases. A single sample case, also not. Not negligible. Matrix. However, if the jump by coincidence ends up very close to where we are already anyway, then there is no need to return and ask for a new sample. In that case, we might as well pretend we already jumped and continue with the current sample. Okay, so we are now where we were before, so also in this case, I do not need to check if we jump too far. And an approximation might change W to a point where we jump too far. However, no, I don't. If it returns with state equals local extreme, then we found a local extreme. That's probably not very interesting. So this is the point where we return, where we might have jumped too far, that I'm interested in. And I want to check that that did not happen. And that is the first step. So let's assert that we did not jump too far, as in we compare W with the latest extreme, if it exists, for my top of my head. Latest extreme. That was apparently not good, correct. Latest local extreme. Still not correct. Last extreme. Yeah. Almost going to look. We're now in algorithm, and this is stored in algorithm. That's nice, so we have access to it. So I want to check if we have a last extreme to begin with. So if the last extreme must be equal to end, then we don't have it. Or if it is not equal to end, I want to compare. Let's see, this thing the iterator returns the reference to whatever is stored in the extremes type. That's a local extreme. And the local extreme simply has a CP sample, which you can access by calling CP sample. This gives me a sample reference. And then we can get the W value from that. I'm going to make some utilities, I think, to compare stuff with a horizontal direction. I mean, depending on whatever the horizontal direction is, I need to use a less than or larger than. So let's just call some function. I want to be, let's say, I would want to say have, wait a minute, okay, H direction is left, then W must be left of this value. So I have a W on this. And then we do H direction here. So you could read this as W must be left of that. If H direction is right, it must be right of that. Well, what shall I call that function? Yeah, I can abbreviate left or right with side. I think that's what I usually do. My God, it's hard to think of it. Here we just check side. It's not too bad, I guess. Yeah, okay. And then I have to add this check side to, let's say, the head of horizontal direction. I'm having an opposite here as well. Let's add here inline. Boolean check side. Could have it return a horizontal direction. I'm using that more often, I think. Yeah. So that would not be check because it doesn't return a boolean anymore. It would just be inline and then like here, horizontal direction. So pause here, 2 doubles. And then we return left or right, depending on if x is less than y or not. Really? It's a bit lame, but that probably should never happen, right? Otherwise we'd have to check for it. I don't want to check it. So now you have that The returned W value must be on the H direction side of the last extreme. Yep. Let's print this first. So this is going to assert now, and then we can investigate how to fix that. I think now it goes wrong. The thing jumps to this point, which is on the wrong side of the red arrow. It should be on that side. No. Well, soon. Now then. Or maybe not even. Yeah, actually it is. Okay. And so that's a good detection for that. And yeah. Now you can argue that I just, instead of testing it, just change it at that point. Or well, it's kind of obvious, I guess, that this test is intended for handle approximation. So I could make sure in handle approximation that this does not happen. That makes the most sense. Even this could theoretically, maybe not actually, but still, probably. I think in a very, very, very rare crafted case, this could still jump too far. Yeah, then the same with this one, although again enormously unlikely. And this is the actual reason why it should go wrong or could go wrong. Anyway, this goes in a direction, H direction. So that should never ever run into this problem. What about the other one? Why would I want to go downhill here? It's not the same thing as I had before. Sometimes I should. Oh, it says it's not at minimum. Why minimum? Because it's the first call, I still have to decide which way to go, which you can actually see here. So yeah, I just set it to a minimum, and then I want to go downhill. And then it's a why not case. Just go downhill towards a minimum. I think I can ignore this as well. It's the first time. There is no local. There's no local extreme yet. So yeah, last extreme is just pointing to nowhere here anyway. In this case, it's also not possible, so we can ignore that as well. Let's then yeah, I don't want to do this either, actually. Change this into using a step. I'm setting it to new W, but if this line is not called, then W equals, so a new W equals W plus step. So we can also do W plus is step. And then here, updating step. And I only want to do this test if we go in the direction of H direction. I'm already doing that. I do this test, but then we look if we go into the direction of H direction. So what if I do that first? So now I want to get here only if this is true, which means that okay, before I had side, in this case I just want to check the step itself, but I can overload it, so I can still use it as call side step. And then that must be equal to H direction. So then a side step must return this. So then because of this, this is going to be true. So I might as well really move it now. Okay, that was nonsense. Wait a minute. No, it's not. Sorry, not nonsense. And then here we go towards it. Now I can check if we didn't pass the last local extreme. Does that always exist? That's a good question. Why would you always have a handle approximation and then getting there means what? No, I don't think it always exists. Does it? Does it? Oh, actually it does, because otherwise you get here. First call. Yeah, that doesn't mean that this first call is not set. Does not mean we already found a local extreme, I think. But so if first call is set, then yeah, then we might get here. Now we fall through that. It's definitely we don't have necessarily already a local extreme, I think. Yeah. Music. Let's not do that. Yeah, I need to find something else to listen to. It's too much rain in my life at the moment. Last extreme is unequal extremes, and where we go to is not on the correct side of last extreme. Then reduce step. What shall I make it? Let's begin with setting it to the set step such that if you add it to W, then we get exactly that. But then you get the round off error, and then my assert is going to fail anyway because we're right on top of it. Yeah, this is not good. No. So I want to jump here now, but we're not allowed to go right of point 36, and therefore I return 36. But that's nonsense, of course. That's nonsense. Instead, we should decide that we don't have a minimum, and therefore go into that direction with a step of size scale. Yeah, see what happens anyway. Yeah, so we're way too close. We're not making any significant step really at some point, I guess. And then you get a negligible sample, which would just be replaced in history. It is not allowed for this case. Let's see what exactly happened. See, the scale went to near zero as a result of returning that. Yeah, so you can see it happen here actually. We want to go to minus 27, but I was not allowed, so I clamp it to the minus 38.79, which is that maximum in 0.36. And that is then returned. And then we have yeah, we end up with 2 points very, very close to each other. I'll bet this is the 0.999 thing or something like that. Could you just short of return something that is just short of the actual critical point? And it's ignoring the new sample because it's too close. And as a result, we have only one sample, I think. What is the return disconnected then? Because you don't have any samples. Ja, nou ja, goed. Get an history reset, adding 2 points, which are totally on top of each other still. Man, so much can go wrong. It's so really unbelievable. in itself, we found a bug, I think. Because, of course, this should be something else. But imagine that the minimum that we found is just on top of this extreme. Super, super, super close to it. Then we would get the same problem. What the hell is this saying? Still not clear to me what is happening now. I have to zoom in again. Problem is going around 40. One is 38, one is 38.8. Yeah. Let's just look at minus 38.8. Quit, yes. It's still all on top of each other. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm not really interested in this one. Let's zoom in way more close. Minus 38.8 till that is would be this is 7, Jesus. 7, 9, 7, 8. I think so. 80 till 7, 8. $35, okay. Yeah, I guess there's nothing to see until we actually found the local extreme, which is now. And now we jump to 4-degree polynomial fit. But it has no zeros, so it is it's set to keep going, and it goes to the left, far away. actually going there? Man, that's outside of what I'm plotting again. So my guess is that now we have a fit through 36 and some point to the left. This is 39.5, so how do we end up with this? Is that the last one? Well, last two was 35, 36, I guess. Handle approximation. Oh, there's an. Oh, it's not adding it because it's the local extreme was already found. So this might have changed the scale, but well, that's very big already compared to this zoom. And we're just stuck with the values shortly before the local extreme was found, which is 0.35 and 36 itself. So the approximation is based on these 2 points. We jumped way to the left, but that was because the fourth degree polynomial did not have a local minimum. So I just went in this direction, I guess, to the left. But now, since I did not reset my approximation, I'm still stuck with 35 and 36. And that is actually because 39 is on top of the same thing. It fitted, it did fit. I guess it doesn't matter, because if it fits, then in the end, we would just get the same approximation anyway. So this cubic is the best approximation, the best fit for including the point here, 0.37. And that thing has a minimum at minus 27, which is to the right of this point, which is not allowed. And therefore I clamped it to almost 36, but not quite, a little bit to the left of that. Okay, so I'll just place it. That must be this one then. Yep. Okay. You gotta be kidding me. So it's not visible yet. It's just so fucking on top of it. I can still not see it. Meaning I don't know if it's, well, it should be on the left side, but really. Let me see. This looks like, what did I just add? We had 35, 36, 37 was here, so this must be 38. I guess that's possible. So two things on top of each other. Maybe 36 is still here as well. So that was 0.38. Should be able to see what the value is. So that is this value. And this then should be a tiny little bit more negative than the actual the maximal maximum. Yeah, indeed. No, it's not. It's on the other side. This is on the right. No, it's not. The other one was rounded off. And to find the actual value from where we have 0.36 and history at 0.37, 0.36. That was, see, that's the 2 here is just a rounded off value from this. So this is the actual minimum, maximum, I mean. And now we're returning 15174316. No, this is really on top of it. I'm not getting it. Nope. Let's add debug output. What file is that? Algorithm, I think. Yeah, where are we? 29. 31, 3, okay, 35. 36. 39. 37, but at minus 39. And this is the moment, right? So I want to go there when it says a step of 11.857133498728846 brings us right the last local extreme at minus 38.79. Oh. Change step 2. And then the whole idea is that this value is on the left of that thing. And it is not. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not looking correctly. Oh, it is. Yeah. Okay, so this is 1517 and this is 1524. So it's more negative. Therefore, it is indeed on the right. Hey, good taro. But utterly not visible. Maybe we should remove a few lines. Or just go there exactly and then add scale back. Probably better, yeah. Maybe I should just not allow myself to approach the last local extreme within that scale. That makes a lot of sense, you know that? Within half the scale. Let me be generous. It's bullshit, but... Okay, so I have to make the half scale step towards H direction from this point. I'm going to call that one add 2. Add 2. And then we follow up. The next argument is then the one that this one talks about. It's kind of logical, I think. And then the thing that we have to add to that, which is the scale, that would be this. And I have to pass it in the H direction. And make it fit on one line. And I already have an add to, but I want to add a new one. That is no longer true, of course. I wanted to go to 38. That is 0.8, so that is down here 9, 6. Okay, 35, 36, 7 here. Wow, it's almost on top of on the other as well. The ridiculousness of that. But okay. So now it's at step of 11 brings us right of the age fraction limit at minus 39.15. Okay, that's reasonable. So the step was changed, and now we're going to minus 39.15, which is, I guess, here. Yep. And then I hope we are now finally going to the right direction, because now what it is doing. Now we have the new point, I think. No, we don't. Oh, we still called the update local extreme skill. It just keeps fitting. So then what happens? Then we want to jump again to minus 27. This is so not working. So it's returning the same thing. Broken. No progress. Man. Well, I have to go to bed anyway. So then the next sample comes in the same place. I don't even see it. Why is there no new point here? 39? Oh, it keeps replacing it. It's so on top of it that the history says it's not add a point. Just keep the old one. So we're stuck here forever. Like I said, it is unbelievable the things that can go wrong here with this. Just seems to be just no end to it. Just keeps every time a new case, a new special case or ish. Must be doing something wrong, am I not? I'm totally doing something wrong, man. Of course I'm doing something wrong. You should ignore that minimum as if it doesn't exist. That's what I did before. That's what I should do. This whole point should not have been added at all. It's just a ridiculous new point. Hell, even this point should not have been added because it's on top of another one. Yeah. Yeah. The only sensible thing to do is to not use this value at all. The minimum that we found, because it's on that side. Just completely ignore it. And then I should not go as far as possible into that thing that I want to ignore. That would be the 38. We should continue going left from where we were. So, I don't know, way more to the left already. So, this going backwards just makes me come into a region where I already had samples. Which is the whole reason why I don't want to go past this point in the first place. I think I made a description somewhere else when apparently I had more insight, which says I think you should never pass any sample at all that was already taken. So not, and then later I changed it to a local extreme. But you can see we already passed this point. There's more points on that side. I'm gonna go to bed, I guess. After losing one game of chess, obviously, as usual, as always. Can't go to bed without losing. Hello, Viking Dente. I played the exact same opening, the last game that I played, and I can already not remember. I analyzed it as well. So I looked at the opening of the computer today. I know I took here, and then no, I took with a pawn, I think. And then they exchanged my queen. But what was the move that I should have done? Taking it was not bad. I'm not sure though. It's definitely going to take my queen. My God, why I cannot remember that. Oh, this is really horrible. Here I went with my bishop here, I think. And that was bad. He took it and that was better. But he should have given check, which is really bad for me. So he should not go here. But then what should I do? I wasn't bad at this. In this position I wasn't bad, I'm pretty sure. I think that the move is this, if I remember correctly. Okay, now he's threatening mating one. That is pretty annoying. But if I just move this pawn up, it's also attacking this. Mating one here, mating one there. I have to move my pawn. Now I'm threatening check and castling, then I'm okay. But yeah, no such change. Okay, only one move. Yeah, this does not look good at all for black. Oh, now I remember. I should have played this pawn instead of that pawn. Yeah, finally. Finally remember it. A little bit too late. Well, let's not get this one pinned. Oh, wait a minute. He's threatening to do that. That looks pretty much mate again. But I can play this and I just go there and then I can check again. I can go there. Man, this is horrible. Yeah, what else do I have? I have to make a hole. I could play this one maybe. Then I can go back. On the open file, can't be right. Can't be right at all. I think I'm gonna do this, see what happens. So it's going to give check maybe, but then I check bishop and knight. Can give check again though. Cannot give check here, I just take the knight. So I give check again maybe. I can attack it and then the bishop is attacked and then he could exchange here, but then the attack is gone. Or yeah, if I go here, I have to admit, give check there. That doesn't really help. I have to go forward anyway. could go here, and then he can't give check with the bishop at least, because I take it. I could give check there, and maybe then go dark square. Can't give check like that. It's maybe better than... I'll go here, the same thing. I can't give check because I just take it. So we go here, the knight must move, and he can't give check. I think that's progress, right? That's not bad. But my queen is super exposed. Those bishops, they can come back. Maybe he can even sacrifice the knight. If you get what I mean. He can't give check because I take a piece though, and I'm attacking the bishop. So either I attack the bishop and then the attack dies, or he saves the bishop. Can't save the bishop. He just can't save the bishop. I'm attacking two pieces. He can't give check. Great. The only thing he can do is take here. The only reasonable thing. Yeah. I'm out of the waters, as they say. So he's going to take my bishop, and then take back with my knight. It's probably not a bad idea, although maybe stop that one going here. No, let's take with the rook. Kind of lost my castling rights anyway. Sort of, almost. So now this thing is probably being protected. I could still chase it away with the pawn then. Kind of the why not move. I like this pawn move, then the knight cannot not go anywhere anymore. Cannot go there, not there, not there, not there, not there. But I can not really attack it, not anytime soon. I think you would have more than enough time to just push this pawn forward and exchange it. It's not really helping me. Let's try to develop. It is a nasty check. It's actually pretty nasty. Gets control over all the dark squares. And then with that bishop. Let's check. Oh no, I cannot do that because then you can take here. I would first have to play this one. But I need to make a hole. Oh shit. Okay, if he plays this, I can go there. That's not too bad. I'm losing on time. I just said that this was not a good move, and now I do it anyway. Oh boy, he's checking, but now I can do this. So I can go down as well. I have to start playing a little bit faster if you... I'm a pawn up. This should be one. Yeah, I don't think so. Shall I kick the knight or not? I'm gonna do this. He's probably going to take it, and I take back, I guess, with my king. And if he moves the knight anywhere, that doesn't threaten anything. Well, I could go there and threaten chat, but check. I'll just move this knight out of the way first here. Yeah, just go here. Oh, no, that check came here. Oh, okay. Well, still no problem, isn't there? Can go here. can go here, I think. No, can't move. Yeah, I can still move this. Still go here now. Maybe we should play this pawn. Make another hole. And double attack on my pawn, but I wanted to play this anyway. Oh, no, I'm giving away knights. Fuck. Yeah, that was not necessary. That wasn't necessary. Stupid. Is he gonna see it though? Thinking very long. Yeah, he sees it. But I'm winning on time because my opponent now thinks that they are winning, and that makes them think like, damn, how can I win this? I should be winning. I'm sure I should be winning. Okay, that was a pretty lame-ass move. Yeah, maybe I should have moved this. Now I think about it. Just don't want to exchange too much. Oh, I'm not sure that is the correct move, because pin. Now I get 2 knights for the price of 1. And as you can see, I'm indeed winning on time. How funny is that? Yeah, just exchange everything. I'm +2. Definitely should be winning this, except I'm giving away that pawn. Okay, I'll go there anyway, I think. Slightly annoying. No, he's probably going to take it anyway. Then the rook goes back. And then what do? I go here. Am I still within this square? I think so. What square? Oh, that square. Yeah, I'm still within the square, so I can't reasonably move that rook anymore. Oh shit. It's a draw if he takes, right? I'm just not taking back. Whoa, what is he doing? No, I'm not sure on that. This is no longer a draw if he takes. Oh, and now it is. That was stupid again, as usual. Yeah. Yeah, well, I can still try winning, but it's totally not a one anymore. I'm afraid. Yeah. Okay, that would be a draw. Just I have to go up and down anyway, right? Oh, that is possible, of course. I can go here and back and here, and it's a draw. Hey, I didn't lose, just -1. Yeah, horrible. I just have to look at it. I think it was a really bad game. How did I do in the opening? That is the question. So I just take, it's all possible. Black is -1.2 here. That's not the best move. Should play this one here. Okay. Yeah, then they come forward, and then I should go there, which I didn't. Okay, that's definitely not good then. Plus 0.7. Not lost, but definitely not good. The rook move was good, right? I remember that one from this position. The only move that doesn't lose on the spot. And then he takes it, and I play the best move, and he did something, and I played the best move. Oh, that was a brilliant move. And then he gave it away, and I didn't do the best move. Check. Should have taken, but he didn't. Now I'm up even. I should have gone there. Yeah, why not? I guess I was afraid for this check, but he just played that pawn, and then kind of the same position as I got in the game. The computer wants to give the knight away. It's interesting. He did exchange, and then I should kick the knight, which I didn't do. So I'm a -0.7 here. Yeah, I wanted to do this, but I thought he could take here. But he can with check. But then I just take the knight, and then he takes the bishop, and then I take the knight. So I can't give check. -1. Now I could kick it. -1. I just gave away full knight, and I didn't take it. What? I didn't take it? To take the... Unbelievable. How can anyone be this stupid? Oh, we both missed it, but... Yeah, here I should have played a knight, but instead I gave it away. That was really bad. Yeah, the knight move was better, even though it's an exchange. +9. Oh, I missed. I missed this check. Oh. And so did my opponent. Phew. And again, I again missed it, the fork, and again he missed it. And I was the lucky bastard. I was so lucky. So I thought I'd get 2 pieces here, but that wasn't true until now. And now we get a draw. 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 Draw, draw. Let's see if somewhere I still gave it away, but hopefully it's just a draw till the end now. What was the best move here? I could just take it immediately. No need to run yet. Badly. I don't see that kind of thing. -5. Fuck me, I should have won. I should have won. Still -5. Still -5. So this is a 1 endgame and I didn't win it. Why? Where did I give this away? Ah, there. He's threatening my pawn. Nobody understands why I didn't just do this. I have no clue why I didn't do that. What kind of noob move is this? Yeah, now it's a draw. Oh, again -6. Wow. So I give it away twice. -6. King goes. And I give it away again. Really? What is the big idea here then? You just go forward and then... Yeah, I can't do anything, right? I just can move up my pawn and then go there. So he doesn't do anything. Now I can move my pawn up. Check, and then you go there. No checks. Or check immediately and go there. It's just well protected and can't give checks. Okay, so by moving my pawn forward, I cannot escape the checks anymore. Ah, no, I can. I cannot. Because if now I give check, and you go there, you just tick the pawn, and then that is a rule. Yep. Should not have been too hasty with that pawn there. What happens? I take that. Yeah, I moved there, and he went there, and I moved there, and he took it. Don't tell me I won another time. No, it's really a draw. No, it's really a draw till the end. Feel it. Yep. Oh, what a horrible game. What a horrible game. How can you still have 83% accuracy with 4 blunders? Doesn't look right. There's more than 10 moves that are not good. Okay, on the 73, is that correct? Maybe. Yeah, I should have gone to bed like 2.5 hours ago, so good night. I have no advice, Viking Dent, no.